In this video, we explore the LG 28-liter convection microwave oven. We'll show you how to make naan and ghee while learning about the culinary technology that powers this appliance. Let's start with the machine baseline. This LG convection microwave features a 28-liter capacity, perfect for cooking for a family of 4. It is designed to bake, grill, and defrost a variety of food. One key feature is the Quartz Heater, which is hidden inside the oven's roof. This design choice helps prevent potential hand injuries while ensuring that large portions of food are cooked quickly. The oven utilizes patented iWave technology. This system circulates microwaves to ensure uniform heat distribution within the cavity, allowing the machine to cook food perfectly. Inside, you'll find a stainless steel cavity. This material is excellent at reflecting heat to help cook food evenly and is designed to resist peeling over time. The oven also acts as a sous chef with its auto-cook menu. With 251 pre-programmed recipes, the system automatically sets the appropriate time and temperature. All you need to do is press the start button. Now for a practical lab, the Indian Roti Basket. With just one button press, you can prepare a variety of traditional breads, including naan, masala rotis, and aloo parathas. Making ghee is equally simple. Place butter inside the oven, select the ghee setting, and in just 12 minutes, the oven generates the necessary heat to produce pure, high-quality ghee. For those mindful of their diet, the Health Plus menu offers a selection of recipes designed to help you consume fewer calories while maintaining your health. Maintenance is effortless, thanks to the Steam Clean feature. Simply select the button, and the oven generates steam to effectively remove grease, leaving the cavity spotless. To summarize, the hardware components work together to deliver results. The Quartz Heater, iWave distribution, stainless steel interior, and auto-cook settings all contribute to a superior cooking experience. By understanding the technology and mastering the hardware of your LG convection microwave, you have access to 251 recipes. Your culinary lab is ready for your next creation.